Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Jingdawa ban kenteu sa ka district Bathamai ya ka Dadingre Civil Subdivision kalanang jor susu hadin makinongilam jong ka National People's Party ha Dadingre kilawan kiu syanong ba Shillong ban yakendo yo menteri rang ba ka Jilla Conrad Konggal Sangma nagabenta ban pensngo hau ya ka ni ka mat Jingdawa ka Balaslem. Nagaliang jong UMLA jong ka Dadingre constituency u James PK Sangma ula penpau bagi pajba jong ka Dadingre kila ang not laslem bha ban yoi baka sorkar kan penurlong no ya ka Jingdawa ban penkha district Thamai ya ka Dadingre Civil Subdivision ka badan ha West Garo Hills district.
We collectively have placed a memorandum for his consideration for the creation and upgradation of the Dadingre Civil Subdivision to a district. This demand, as we all know, is a demand that's very long due and long pending, and we have apprised, we have informed the Honorable Chief Minister that the people falling under Dadingre Civil Subdivision are all very united in our demand for the creation for the upgradation of Dadingre as a full-fledged district. The Honorable Chief Minister has been very positive in his response, and we look forward to a positive outcome of our meeting very soon.
Tengada alo Chief Minister ko Meghalaya Chief Minister ko grongwa ha Dadingre NPP party ni kita tengah ribaha Dadingre na gatal district ko bina kata tengah ribaha aro bia tengko na main response ka ha tengah bimeng dal na me golpo ha bia tengna nam kapa response rangko na ha tengah Dadingre division kang oni ka chambat rang ko wa 1982 ni wa ya ko dau district ko na ra bana tengah joton khainga party ni kita aro tengah Dadingre Civil Subdivision no dongba plak manderang ni kita tengah daklo delegation ngiri baha tengni bianina tengko nokcakanina tengah Chief Minister ko dengtang manca metel bia plakon tela.